Welcome back to DuckDuckOtaku, the very best in low-cost cosplay and props. This is how I made his hero costume and the ice and the fire props. Okay, so I just finished editing this video and it's a lot longer than I want it to be, so I'm going to be splitting it into two parts. Sorry, I know this is a little inconvenient, but it's just the way it's going to have to go down. So part 1 is going to be over the fire and the ice gauntlets, and part 2 is going to be over his hero costume. Okay, now on to the harness and belt. What I would recommend doing is making almost like a paper model. This is what I call it, ST main back piece, which is Shoto Todoroki main piece. Then I wrote what I was going to make it out of, which I actually changed. Originally be made of cardboard, but then I have all the stuff. I was like, okay, that fits mostly well. I did the same thing for all the belt pieces. They're all right here. I will try to put all their measurements in the comments down below because people have been asking me for the measurements, which is crazy because I never actually really measure anything. I just kind of look at it. The back, my harness, is made out of a tiki toe box. You can kind of see the up arrows because sometimes I forget which way is up on here. Okay, so the brown piece is actually made out of a old jacket that I cut apart for another cosplay, and I just had a bunch of this brown fabric lying around. And so I just made them into little bands. And then they're not even sewn. These right here are not even sewn. They are just glued because I wasn't really sure if sewing was gonna hold it real well, so I went with glue. I used hot glue. That's a lot of hot glue. Yeah, all 5 of these is one piece that remain slightly connected. I did not have a lot of EVA floor mat, so I actually made these out of magic modeling clay because I had model magic clay, whatever, because I had a lot of that lying around. Each one of these and this was originally painted gray, then painted silver, then dusted in black to give it a more realistic-y tone. This is my belt. So the same brown fabric I had lying around. Each one of these is made out of model magic as well. I think I painted them white first, and then I went cream, and then I did a little bits of yellow to just kind of try and match his color. These are, oh, see, it's hot glue. It's kind of coming apart right now. You can kind of get gentle with them, and that piece has come off several times now, so I might just need to make a new one and glue it on. These little canisters are Co2 canisters. I enjoy airsoft, air rifles and stuff. Those are a lot of fun. So I just took 4 and glued them on. And then they're tied around the top, glued up the top, and then glued here. And then I just took black paint, and then I painted the glue. This is the front right here, and then this is the back. How it sticks together, they have to be buttoned. The buttons are on the inside so they're not seen. And then there's buttonholes here and here. They button right here, and it comes over and buttons in the back. So yeah, the front looks the best. Back looks okay. Here's the jacket I wore. It said something, it had something embroidered on the front. USA and the Olympics, not an official one of course. But I took a seam ripper and I tore that out because I need to be blue. The vest actually covers most of this, so it's not really a major problem. And then I would actually roll up the sleeves because he has shorter sleeves and sleeves bother me anyways. The red on the back can kind of be seen. I just took spray paint and I covered it up a little bit. And again, the harness, the back harness piece covers it up, so not a big deal. The neck piece that goes right here, mine is broken. It just broke apart, but it's made out of the same stuff that these little pieces right here are made out of, the model magic clay. I'd actually recommend you use EVA foam or like craft foam, whatever you want to call it. The really thin ones would probably work the best. I actually did not do the little bit going around the collar because I forgot. My bad, sorry. And I also didn't make his, he has almost like little sleeve gauntlet things. I didn't make them because A, at the time, the picture I was looking at didn't have them. And B, when I was doing this now, I realized that my fire and ice hands were gonna cover it up. So I was like, Nah. Here are my boots. They're the same boots I made for the gym uniform in my very first video. Go check that out. And then I had a wig. I didn't bring it with me. It's a great wig, just off Amazon. Okay, so this has been part 2 of 2. Make sure you go check out part 1. It's over how I made the fire and ice gauntlets. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. You're awesome. And you're gonna be extra awesome. Maybe comment, maybe subscribe, maybe like. If you're on Instagram, hit me up. I'm on there. I'd love to see what you guys make. I think that'd be awesome. Well, bye-bye. Quack, 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 guys. I can't quack in this anymore. Trust me, I'm doing a little quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Bye, guys.